Did you know there are 5 basic chord shapes in the first position of guitar that you can play along the fretboard with the use of a barré? C shape, A shape, G shape, E shape, D shape. This also means you can play the same chord in 5 different areas of the fretboard. What's interesting is that you can do this with any sort of chord type you like, major 7th, diminished, minor, you name it. And this logic may be applied to chord progressions as well. This powerful system is known as CAGED system and allows you to unlock the view of the entire fretboard and understand better how it works. It's very helpful for learning new chords and scale as well. Follow me for more.